We've been providing safety consulting and risk management services for more than 30 years. You don't want to deal with the aftermath of an incident. We'll help you make sure it doesn't happen in the first place. Regular job site safety inspections are the most cost-effective way to identify and correct hazardous conditions. Lack of fall protection is OSHA's most frequently cited violation. Some safety issues are hard to identify from the ground. Is everyone tied off? Are they wearing appropriate harnesses? Are anchor points installed properly? But from the air, you can see the big picture and focus in on the details of potential hazards before it's too late. We now offer drone technology to add further value to our safety inspections and reduce your risk. Our pilot is licensed and insured. Quickly and easily monitor for hazards on the job site. Document unsafe conditions as well as the corrective actions taken. Photographs and video of your job site for you to use for your own purposes. Time-lapse views of project progression. Measurements to ensure compliance with OSHA regulations. Before and after damage assessments. Reduce risk and by reducing the need for inspectors to climb up on roofs. Monitor safety issues quickly, easily, and cost-effectively. Contact us today to learn more about drones for your job site. Call 610-237-7100. Visit us at ccicomply.net.